Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can turn off your message notification on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. So first thing what you want to do is you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen on Snapchat. Once you click on the profile picture, it's going to bring you to your Snapchat profile. And over here, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the setting icon, it's going to bring you to this page, which is the setting page of Snapchat. And over here, you can see this option called notifications. Click on notifications. And inside notifications, you can see this option called message reminder. Message reminder basically means that whenever somebody messages you, a notification will come. So since we want to mute our message notification, we want to turn this message reminder off. And at the top where it says mentions, just turn off mentions as well. Once you do that, your message notification on Snapchat will be off. Now remember, this will only turn off your message notification. All the other notifications, like if somebody uploaded a snap story or something else, somebody uploaded a video, you are still going to get those notifications. So this is only for message notification. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can turn off your message notification on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.